Danny's on a 254 stroke. He's got a little bit of a small engine size, just the only reason is he's a little bit lighter than me and he doesn't need the extra power. Is that a good explanation, Dan? Very good explanation. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to start the show off. We're going to do some easy tricks, some nice, simple, loosen our bodies up, waking ourselves up a little bit. And we're going to move on to a few harder tricks. The first show of the day, we're just going to try and talk you through what we're doing, what kind of tricks are, what tricks are called. Second show of the day, make sure you come back because we're going to have a little competition. Well, not a little competition, a massive competition. The forfeit, whoever loses the competition has to brew up. Although we're not that bothered about team coffee today, it's a bit hot, so we're going to have to make a new one up. So we'll get started with the show. Nice simple magnet, one foot over the side of the bike. See what Dan's got to offer. Then he goes with the big switchblade, kicking his feet and looking back on himself.
Oh, yeah, geez.
So we're trying to ease ourselves off. We don't want to go too big on from the start. Nice lazy no-hander. Just getting a little feel for the jump, feeling out. Big lazy boy there from Danny, looking good.
So that's it.
Pendulum there, kicking the feet out the side of the bike. It's just another light loosener off, just to get ourselves ready, keep ourselves safe. Big Superman there from Danny. Don't forget, it's not a game of golf, it's not a game of snooker. You can cheer, it's an extreme sport, you can let it out. No one's going to look at you in disgust.
Woo!
Superman again like Dan. Just getting the feel for it. Whew. Getting a little bit out of breath as well. Big heart attack there from Danny, just getting back on in time, leaving it till the last minute. Oh, now I'm going to have a little breather, I'm getting a little bit hot. Having a breather, is that alright? Everyone just happy sitting around?
Are they talking?
Yeah. Don't forget, everybody, if you're mad with your photography, if you get a real good picture, if you could put it on the Facebook page, Broke FMX, or you could just go and like us on our Facebook page, it keeps you up to date. If we put the picture on our page, if it's a good shot, we have got some good shots, we're going to send you a free t-shirt. How may you ask? Well, we'll just send you, I know, a free t-shirt. Would you ever believe it? That is lucky, isn't it? Somebody out there could get a free t-shirt. Are we getting hot, Dan? Right, so we're going to keep going. So do you want to see us make a little bit more effort? Step up the level a little bit. Raise the bar, as it is known. No, you're not that bothered? Well, if you're not that bothered, I'll just keep riding around and just keep myself happy. Right, so we're going to try it now. We're going to try and make a little bit more effort. Make the tricks a little bit bigger.
Yeah, when they go over, just in case they fall off.
Big double light there, just getting back on in time. See what Dan can do. Big KOD there from Dan. Touching a bit of a heart attack seat grab there. Kicking the feet back. Big double grab there from Dan, looking good. It's getting quite warm now. That's called a dead sailor, just when you don't quite feel right, going, leave the take off. You don't want to risk it, you don't want something to go wrong.
Oh,
Big Indian there from Dan.
you want to do this on the job? What? Why? I get killed.
Cliffhanger, feet under the bar, just get back on in time. Oh. Big double mat there from Dan, looking good. Now I'm going to have to stop again. Down, have a little break. Whew. Right, everybody, is everyone having a good day?
Yeah.
Am I cheering your day up?
No, mate.
Oh, you didn't sound very convinced with that. Am I cheering you up today? My old doom and gloom, that seems to be bringing everybody down. I must be doom and gloom, I seem to be bringing everybody down. This sounds a bit dangerous, a backflip. Backflips are really dangerous, we can't be doing things like that. Men to be men, not women, apparently. Dan's offering his mic. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to finish off. We're going to try and do some hard tricks. We're going to get a few more. See how we get on.
Come on, man.
Whipping it out, throwing it sideways. Just about getting back to straight time. Dan just not quite feeling it on that jump, going a little bit long. Whew. Oh. Way too long. Landing right at the bottom of the landing. Trick there. Upside no foot cam there from Danny. We'll try one more. Don't forget, come over to the bike insurance tent over here. We'll sign your poster, only £1. Come and say hello, sign your programme. We're all about signatures. Everyone seems to be queuing for a signature. So why not come to us for a queue? I don't think that's good enough. I need to go again. We need to finish on something a little bit better than a nothing. So try and get a double grab out. Both hands on the seat.
It is simple.
Just about in time. Oh.
It is simple.
Oh. Now I am struggling. We're getting out of breath. Oh. We're going to have to stop for a minute. Are you tired yet, Dan? We're tired? Right, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to do one more trick and then we're going to go over to the bike insure easy up, buy your posters, you can come and have a t-shirt. T-shirt, you can buy a t-shirt. Not that you really want a t-shirt today, it's a bit warm. If we sold sun cream, we'd be doing alright, wouldn't we? What about one of those hats with a little fan on for your face? That'd be a good seller today. But in England, they're probably not worth buying. So we'll do one more trick, and then don't forget, later on in the day we've got a competition, so make sure you come back then. Make sure you stay around really, watch the recovery. One more, Dan. Whipping it out sideways. Big knack there from Danny. Right, so we've been Broken Legs. Don't forget to come and say hello. Tell us what you think of our performance.